I don't know if this has voice, but Bob has decided to leave the snowblower by itself running. Not sure where he went, but he's just letting the snowblower out there run by itself. Interesting. This is the snowstorm of 2010. Check out the snow. It's insane. 21 inches down here in Shakopee. Yep, 21 inches of snow. Blowing, drifting. Well, we'll turn off the camera for now. Oh, here he comes. Here comes. Oh, now he's going to shovel. Okay. He's going to shovel snow. Not going to use the snow blower. We're just going to let the snow blower sit there and run. Okay, because we're going to shovel the snow. Cool. Shoveling the snow. Yes. There he is. There he is, shoveling snow. Okay, now we're going to get the snow blower. We're trying to get his attention so he can say hi to us, but he can't. Hey, there we go. What are we going to do? Okay, we're going to go shovel that down there. Still leaving the snowblower running. I don't know why, but okay, we're going to go chop down something. Yep. Yeah, there we go. There he is. Shoveling some snow. Big old yep. Chop away. I think maybe he's making room so that he can take that snowblower and go right through that. Could have used little snowblower. Could have used a bigger one this year, I think. Oh, look at the people across the street. Lots of snow in their yard. Oh, here we are. There we are. Okay. Hope we don't have a heart attack. Oh, yeah. There he is. He's just standing there. He thinks I'm taking his picture when I'm really doing a video. Yep, hi, video. Yep, I'm doing a video. Okay, now we're going to take the snow blower. Okay. Yep. There we go. Yep, we're going to blow the snow. Oh, look at that. Maybe we can even get through the whole thing this time. Not sure, but I think maybe we might be able to. It's kind of bright. I hope this turns out good. There he is. Okay, can you get through it? Oh, good job. I think he got through it. Okay, I think, oh, there he goes. Push. Ah, success. He has success. We have success. Now we're going to come back. Yep, got more. There we go. How we doing? Doing good. Pushing it good. Yep. There we go. Okay, making nice little wall. That's a nice, oh, I'm not watching what I'm doing here. There we go. Yep. Doing a good job there, Bob. Doing a good job. Good job. Good job. Good job with the snow. Yep.